Hi guys, me Cloud TV, and I have a new guest. Si Tita.
Gatas, nandiyan na?
And that mine Tita. And this is and night na and done and in there.
CCTV sa kanila. Bumalik at nagpaliwanag. Tapos ino-opera
Ay, human class.
Sa isang tangki. Nagdi-discount siya ng isang. Ngayon sabi ni tatay mo.
I have
Alam mo kung kayo'y tama.
minions.
Kung kayo'y tama, hindi ko
Bugs.
tama kayo.
I have bugs.
Pero yung tanggapin ko
Bugs like this. And like Kongi is good game.
O sige po, bilang kaibigan.
I have this. And this is and 20. Bye bye. Cloud TV. Like
Yun yung kwan eh.
and to Cloud TV.